welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a fairly modest Urban Outfitters haul. So I just got a few bits and bobs in their sale recently and I thought I would share what I got with you guys. So I think it's only about 4 items, but they're really fun items, so I just had to make a video. So let's take them out. What I love about Urban Outfitters is, look at this, there's no packaging around the clothing, like there's no excess packaging. It's just a bag with the items in it. You know, that's one thing I hate about online shopping. When it arrives, I have like a ton of just excess packaging that I don't think is necessary. So I love the fact that it is literally just the items I ordered. So that's fabulous. So 4 bits and bobs, so I'll just start with one of them. So I fell in love with the colour of this jumper, and I love a crisscross neckline. I think it's really flattering, and it's kind of like this fluff, like it's really soft, and it was in the sale for about £27, I think. Oh, it says, yeah, £27, so originally 35, but I'll link it down below if I can find it. But look at this colour, like I love green so much, and to find one in this sort of cut is really up my street because I love this fit. So let's throw this one on and see what it looks like. This is how it fits, and just look at the color of this. Like, I'm so obsessed, and it's so soft. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, it's literally covered in that sort of super velvety soft like fluff. I just love it. I really, really love it. I wish the stitching here was just slightly lower down, but I don't think it shows, and I think it looks so nice with these white jeans. Like, I love bright things, I like weird things and unusual things, and this is exactly that. So they do it in other colours though, so if you're not a green freak like me, they do it in like, they do a lovely creamy white one, a purple one I think, and a blue one. I'll link them down below, but something like that, you can check them out. But just look at this, and I love that it's cropped and the arms are the perfect length. I'm obsessed with this, like I love it. So the next thing I got is this burgundy halterneck top. Now this was in the sale for about £9 I think, and it's just this really nice ribbed, really stretchy kind of basic top. And I just thought this colour I wear all the time anyway, and I think halternecks can be really flattering, so I thought I would just pick this one up. But let's see what it looks like, because I think with tops like this, they're either the perfect fit or they're just not quite right. But the only thing I would say, it kind of looks weird, the halter, like these straps look really far apart. Normally with halters they're a little bit further in, so let's put it on and see how it fits. This is how it looks like on, and I'm not sure about these straps. Like for me they just come too like far out. Like I would love them, you know, 1 inch inside, if that makes sense. I feel like they're coming out my armpits basically, and I just think it's not as flattering as halter necks usually are. I don't know, just something about this isn't quite right in the fit. Like I feel like it's accentuating a bulge here that I don't ever normally have. So it's not doing much for my body image, but it's cute. I love the fabric choice, I love the colour, and just, it has so much potential, but this cut just isn't it for me personally. Probably on other body shapes it'll be lovely having it wider, but for me personally I like it a little bit further in, I think. But let me know what you think. I like a square neckline, but just not this far round. The next thing I got is a pair of velvet flares. Now I know that sounds crazy, but I love flares and I love velvet, so it was a win-win really. And they're not just plain velvet flares, nah. These have like floral patterns all over them. And now the reason I fell in love with these is because these really remind me of like a Polish fabric. And for those of you who don't know, I'm half Polish, so I thought that was pretty cool, and I love the feel of velvet, so I thought I'd have to try these. Now I got these in a size small. I can't remember if these were in the sale, but the tag says £38. So not too bad, but they do just feel, I kind of want them to be a bit more structured, if that makes sense. Like they're just very kind of flimsy, but they don't look see-through, which is a good sign. But yeah, let's just see how they fit. This is what they look like on, and they're actually a really good fit. So this is a size small, and the waist fits very nicely. They're high-waisted, they're not baggy anywhere, so I do like the fit. I just wish they were a bit more structured so I could wear them, you know, kind of as if they were jeans basically. And I know they are just velvet flares, but that's my kind of feeling, and I would love them to be just that tiny bit more vibrant. You know, they've got so much potential with this fabric, but it almost just looks a little bit dull. But I love the fabric. I'm not sure on these. So let me know what you think. Like they're really cute, but they're just, I don't know, for the price, you know, they're nearly £40. I'm just not sure if they tick my box, if that makes sense. But they're very cute. And they do these flares in so many different colours and patterns, it's amazing. And some of the flares even have matching tops, so you can definitely turn them into an outfit, but I don't know about these. They're fun though, they're definitely fun. The final thing I got is a dress. Now I'm so excited and nervous to try this one because this was in the sale for only £16, but they only had an extra small left. Now, I don't normally ever fit in extra smalls, so it's going to be a long shot, but it is an orangey brown corduroy dress, and it kind of has like a darted waist. I'm just so here for it. Like, that's just going to be so cute in the summer. Like, I love it. I love the colour, I love the fabric. We just have to pray that it's going to fit, because that's going to be the deciding factor here. But it was just a bargain, and I think they have it in like a dusty blue as well, which I'll link down below, because I think that one had more sizes available, but I fell in love with this like orangey brown one, so let's just put it on. This is how this one fits, and I mean, it fits, which is the major obstacle overcome. So the zip does all the way up, and it's not too tight on my hips or my butt, which is usually the problem area. It is too tight at the top, but I think it's somewhat workable. So a size small I think would have been perfect, but I'm just gonna have to kind of rock the Bridgerton look here and just go for it a little bit tight. Because it's a gorgeous colour, I love the fabric, and I love how it's made, you know, all the darts here, and just how the fit is, because look at the back of it as well, it's beautiful. Like, I love so much about it. So I think I've just got to hope that over time it will give. But let me know what you think. I think it's workable. I think it's workable. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this kind of like mini haul. Let me know in the comments what you thought of the items I got. They will all be linked down below if they're still available, so check that if you'd like to find any of them. But thank you again for watching, and hopefully I'll see you next time.